At the foot of the Serra de Tramontana Mountains, in the town of Andratx on Mallorca, lies a truly special place, Taronja. What began in the 1960s as the largest chicken farm in the Balearic Islands was reborn in 1997, when German painter Hartmut Usadel bought it and transformed it into his studio, a gallery, and a vibrant cultural hub. Artists from around the world came here, and even the Berlin Symphony Orchestra once performed in its halls. After Hartmut's passing, his friend Tina Horn carried on his work. And since 2017, a new chapter has begun, to preserve this legacy and give it new life. The first step was restoring a 300-year-old stone house, now home to 4 apartments and an office, where original stone walls and wood blend with light and local materials. The next step is the renovation of the 3 long halls, once chicken coops, later studios and theatre, to create flexible spaces ready for future cultural events. Our vision is simple, for Taronja to once again be a place of creativity, connection, and inspiration, a landmark of culture that bridges past and future.